Vicky here and welcome to my channel. I just received these pastel pencils. I ordered them from Amazon. They're Stabilo Carbothello. They came in this tin box and came with its own kneadable eraser, its own sharpener as well. That will come in really handy, and its own thingamajig, which I really don't remember what it's called. Oh yes, paper stump or tortillon. Thank you very much. So these are amazing colors, especially this one. I love this color. I can see it for skin tones, and here's a close-up of it. And it also comes with a lot of vibrant, beautiful colors, and here's an example of some of them. They're just gorgeous, just loving them. I probably shouldn't be smearing them all over my fingers. I promise you I did wash my hands after this. A few of them did arrive chipped, but I guess that could happen because they are pastels and they're very fragile. But these, when I sharpened them, the point came out really pointy and it kept its shape, and they didn't break at all. They were pretty good. Great for fine details. And this is the sharpener if you want to go buy it. I'm sure they sell it separately. Now I am going to demonstrate all these colors. I'm using watercolor paper, hot pressed. I think you can use these pencils on almost any kind of paper. So when I tried them, they were pretty soft, not that soft, but they did go on smoothly. They seem to be quite blendable. Nice colors. I'll just fast track it here. It was pretty relaxing drawing all these hearts. I was having a lot of fun. Another thing, you know, I could have bought just the 12 pack, and I think it comes also in 36, but I had to get all 60 colors. You know, will I ever use canary yellow? Do I need it? Yeah, I do. I need all the colors. And all you art supply addicts out there, you know what I'm talking about, right? So there you have it, all the 60 colors that I need to have, because I'm a little bit of an art supply addict, but that's okay. So here now I'm using the tortillon. I'm seeing to see how blendable they are. Pretty good, not bad. I like to use my fingers, you know, not afraid to get my hands dirty. And that kneadable eraser is great for cleaning your hands, or I like to even keep baby wipes nearby just to clean like little dust that could come off. But you know, these are actually not as dusty as the soft pastels. Well, I hope you liked my video, and please check out my next video where I will demonstrate these pastel pencils. They're so much fun. Bye!